Hey friends, today's fun summer project is on one of these wood door tags. I love these because they have a nice whitewash finish on both sides. I'm just going to paint this with some paint, and unfortunately my camera stopped midway while I was painting that first layer, but you can see that I did like an ombre effect. I grabbed blue, green, yellow, pink, and orange paint colors. And then I dried that first layer, and then I went back and I added some more color, a little bit more yellow. I added some more blue here down at the bottom, and then some green. And I'm not even washing off my paintbrush. I did use two different paintbrushes, one for like the yellow and the pink, and then I had another one for the blue and the green. But I'm just kind of painting the colors into each other. Again, looking just for a little fun, summery ombre look to this door tag. I was really happy with how this turned out. So once I dry this completely, I wiped off the edges to make sure there weren't any wet drips on the side of my door tag. And then I went with a sanding block and just kind of sanded off any little bit of extra paint that might have been on the side and distressed the edges a little bit. And then because I painted this surface, I'm going to use a little bit of this surface wax just to keep the paint from coming up and to help protect my transfer. So you just want to just rub on some of the wax and then wipe off all the excess. That's all you have to do. Just a little bit goes a long way. And then I grabbed this fun summer transfer, and once I fuzzed it because it was brand new, again my camera was not cooperating and I somehow did not get that footage of me chalking this, but I simply chalked it in some black chalk paste, nothing elaborate, just plain black chalk paste. So once I did that, once I made sure it was absolutely dry, again, because you don't want to smudge your image, I added some jute twine to the top so that I can hang up my door tag. And then I grabbed some of my ribbon. I grabbed this almost looks like a burlap polka dot ribbon, and then I grabbed some blue and I grabbed some pink, and clearly I'm going for the polka dot look here because all of my ribbons happen to be polka dot, but I'm all good with that. So once I decided the layering of my ribbons, I'm going to go ahead and put those together just with a pipe cleaner. I'm going to scrunch those all together, put the pipe cleaner on there, and then tie that onto my door tag. And then I'm gonna fluff out my bow and trim it up. And look how cute this turned out. I'm so happy with this fun summer door tag. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.